Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you what's inside box 36. This one has been out for a while now, and I think it might have even completely sold, because it's always open up for subscription first, and then if there's any stock left it goes to open stock. But I'm going to show you what's inside, because I think it's really nice for anybody new to the channel. Maybe you're unaware of the Papercraft Society. This gives you an idea of what these boxes are. So every month there's a different designer. Primarily it's mainly for card makers, but there's sometimes mixed media designers that will have a box come out throughout the year. You've got Helen, who does a lot of 3D boxes, journals, mini albums and things like that. So there are a lot of different paper crafts as well. Always on the front of the boxes is an indication of the style, the colour and the theme. So you can see this one here is covered in snowflakes and it's got that gorgeous silver foiling. So inside it says, warm those cold days with some glitter and sparkle, and that's from Sasha. So as always, I like to go through the envelope first, and then I'll show you what's inside the tissue paper. So if you ever share anything made using your Papercraft Society kits, make sure you use the hashtag Papercraft Society, and that way Craft Stash will see what you've been making. So let's take out these gorgeous, in fact what I'll do is I'll take all the plastic off first. Okay, so I'll just use the back of the paper there for a minute. Now I think these ones here are layered snowflakes. Now Sasha did have a mini collection come out with Craft Stash & Co, and that was all about layering dies, so I think that's probably what it's like. You can see this one here hasn't got as much detail. Then there's this one, which I'm sure will sit over that one, and then again that one there will sit over the top, and then that one. They all kind of get smaller and more detailed. And then you've just got some small individual snowflakes here, and that's really sweet. I like the way the snowflakes attached to your sentiment. And this one here says, I think it might be snow. Yeah, really lovely, unusual set. I think these are going to make great gift tags. Then we'll show the stamps, because I think some of this might coordinate. I would imagine that thick one there will also cut out that main one. Yeah, I think it does. So the one that doesn't have the detail in these end bits, that's going to definitely cut that one out. So that's always good. And then I think the rest you will have to cut by hand. I imagine that this is going to fit all of your sentiments here, which it does. And it's nice that you've got New Year in this one as well. And you've got Let It Snow, Merry Christmas and Dreaming of a White, and then you can use Christmas. That's nice. Happy Christmas if you don't like to use Merry. And you've got Snow, and then you can have Is Falling. And then you've got all these different little kind of clusters of snowflakes, and I like the to and from that you've got there as well. So yeah, gift tags, like I said, I've not seen inside, so if it's gift tags then that was a good guess. So lovely stamp set. And then the papers, these look gorgeous. I love the colours. So you've got this lovely one here with the snowflake kind of border. You've got the snowfall background, lovely stars there, and you've got the close-up of the snowflake there in the corner. And then here are 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of, it's a thick vellum, possibly parchment. And then you've got that gorgeous glitter card there. So that is everything in the envelope. Really, really lovely stamps and dies there. And then inside you always get your tissue paper. And this usually has all your extra embellishments, your booklet and your coordinating cardstock. So you can see the card here. So we've got a sheet of pink, that darker pink, and then that lilac, and then that purple colour there. So you've got 4 nice colours there. This is Sasha, and then that's got all the inspiration. So we'll go through that in a moment. We've got some, I imagine that's silver embossing powder. And then we've got 2 little envelopes here, so let's see what's inside. So we've got some silver string there, and then this feels like possibly sequins. What I tend to do with these, if I've got sequins already similar, then I just add them to it. I've got quite a few little jars and stuff. Oh, it's actually little snowflakes. Oh, that's nice. Now in my festive kit, I've got similar ones, but mine are iridescent, and these are just plain white. Okay, if I pop them on there you can see. So it's going to be nice to mix those with the ones that I've already got, and you get loads in there. You can see they'd make a lovely shaker card with all of those in. So it's already given me lots of ideas. So first of all, we've got this shaker card. So you can see That lovely large snowflake there, and it's been paper pieced with the silver card, and Sasha shows you how to make that one there. And then Glynis has done some lovely cards. She always does pretty cards, but I like this one here where she's layered up the pattern paper and she's used the string like wrapped around almost like it's a present, and then that lovely big snowflake there and that sentiment. And there's another one here that I think Marta's done, kind of similar in a way to what Glynis has done, with that kind of wrapped string effect. I just like the way that it's kind of tied the snowflake there. Really pretty. I'm not sure if they're little... oh no, it's the cardstock she's used there. I thought they were little shaker windows, which you could do as well. I think that's really pretty. So that's everything inside box number 36 from the Papercraft Society. If you are new to this and you've never seen it before, I'll share in the description box below a link directly to the Papercraft Society, and you can see how you can subscribe month to month. So you might see a box that you really like. You can subscribe for that month, and then once that has been sent out to you, then you can cancel that subscription, or you can sign up for 3 months. Maybe you just want to try a few. You can do 6 months, and you can also do a year. Obviously, if you take out the year one, then the boxes individually work out cheaper. But also, if there are any boxes left over, then it does go to open stock, and then you can just buy them as and when. And like I said, I'll have popping up now 2 boxes, which are still £10. So have a look at those unboxings, see if it's something you like, and maybe treat yourself. So as always, thank you for watching. I will be back soon with some more fun Christmas makes, and I will try and get something made with this one as well. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye.